Welcome. If you want to set up face unlock in your Motorola One Action, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now let's scroll down, tap on the security, go for the face unlock, input your currently logged method, read the description, click to setup, tap allow, read the description one more time, click next, and right now we have to keep our face in the circle to let this scan, and right now it's finished, so let's click next, tap that we got it, and right now we can lock device and try to unlock. Okay, it's not working right now, so let's try one more time. Okay, too many attempts, so let's unlock normal with the pattern, then lock in. Let me do this one more time, and as you can see right now it's working. So I think that was the problem, because I have the microphone and the camera in front of me, but I'm going to test it one more time. I'm going to leave the smartphone, and yeah, right now it's working without any problem. So as you can see, that's how we can set it up. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.